Welcome to another episode from your Commercial Products Repair Team. Today, we are going to show you just how easy it is to replace casters on a Rubbermaid Brute Dolly. First, you will need the following tool and genuine replacement parts: a caster removal tool, and either a single replacement caster or a cost-efficient package of 5 casters. And always remember, safety first. Wearing eye protection during any repair is highly recommended. Take your caster removal tool and position it between the caster needing to be replaced and the dolly. Pop the caster loose by pushing down on the tool. Then it's a simple matter of pulling out the caster. Grab your replacement caster and position it where the previous caster was removed. Push down until the caster is firmly in place. And now your dolly is fully operational and ready for use. Thank you for watching. Remember, ordering genuine replacement parts ensures quality, durability, and reliability.